And welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we are going to be heading to Ubud. We are seeing waterfalls. We are going to the GWK Cultural Park, and we will be checking out Single Fin Beach Club in Uluwatu. So stay tuned to the end of the video to see all the footage, and we hope you enjoy.
Independent Day
Wow.
competition.
So what are they doing? They're marching?
Yeah, Martin. I think on 10 will be champion of Bali.
Wow.
Yeah, Sindan Pasada.
So we just arrived in Uluwatu. All right.
Tired. Just arrived in Uluwatu. Actually, Uluwatu is the meaning of land that ends in Indonesian. So probably the name is connected to the cliff that they're going to have. We're actually eating a very famous beach club. It's called Single Fin, and can't wait to show you around. Yes.
Come with us.
Alright guys, so today we're entering this, basically it's a cultural national park, and this abbreviation would be like GDK, and it's actually a free park, but if you want to see all around you must buy a ticket. So if you want to like DJ performances and stuff.
But basically, you can go inside. You see a lot of different like sculptures and art, traditional cultural things, and then they also do like performances, which is awesome. So you might see like a fire dance or all these kind of really cool things. So hopefully we get to see something amazing. So these are actually dinosaur eggs.
Yes,
They will
basically
hatch
they
eventually.
sprout.
They sprout. traditional Balinese performance called Barong dance. It is basically a battle between Barong and Rangda, which is representing the eternal battle between good and evil. So absolutely gonna be amazing. Let's see. Oh God. So, we just ordered dinner from a local warang, which is basically like the trattoria of Bali, and what I got is pretty interesting. I'm not gonna lie to you. Look at this! How pretty! Ah. So, first time we receive cutlery in a warang because usually they just don't provide
Rice
it.
cracker.
Look at that. So this is tempeh and tofu, because shout out to all the vegetarians.
Satay.
And then you have some sambal, which is a traditional chili sauce here. Absolutely delicious. And then a little bit of a fresh crunchy salad there, and then I got some noodles with vegetables and eggs. Yummy! Alrighty guys, that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you in the next video.